take a food delivery. Every time it's brown people or black people.
I came to L'Obrador to have a residency. I have been here every day, dancing during the day, playing in the night, and it's been an amazing time.
Para mí it makes a lot of sense.
Muchísimas gracias a Roberto Oliván y al equipo de L'Obrador que me hicieron esta oportunidad y este proyecto pues hecho realidad. Muchísimas gracias a todos ustedes, la verdad me siento muy afortunado.
It's also nice to be here, like the four of us, just like in L'Obrador and sharing the apartment and like getting to know also the people around the city. I feel that we are already super integrated in the city just in 3 weeks.
My day here in the lab was very good. I had more experience with my colleagues. My first time I worked with them in a project.
Está sendo maravilhoso estar nessa experiência, nesse intercâmbio, nessa criação.
Muito obrigado, L'Obrador, e muito obrigado ao Roberto.
Tratamos de ver totalmente todo.
We love our dancing, and over 5,000 students take a dance class each semester.